Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to do another recap. I had a much better day today. Thank you for those that commented and were supportive on my last recap. I had a limited time to trade today. I had to take my son to the orthodontist. So I really needed to leave here at 9:40, but I was in this trade and we were a little late. But anyhow, I saw that UAL was setting up to be a nice opening range breakdown at the open. This is a stock that had gapped up and it was pretty strong pre-market, but this first 5-minute candle, this first 5-minute red candle that closed below the VWAP, I thought it was going to sell off a little bit more. So I was watching this 1-minute chart, and as you can see, it kept putting up these large wicks trying to get through the VWAP, and it just couldn't. So, that made me think it had a leg down. So when it made a new 1-minute low, I went short and took profits at the previous day high. Then this 200 moving average on the 5-minute. And then I found this previous support on the daily that I had marked. So I partialed pretty heavy here. And then I did try to add to my position when it came back up and tested the VWAP, and I ended up getting stopped out. I really needed to get out of here. So that was my first trade. And my second, when I got back from the appointment, I traded AAL. I took this as a reversal, and there's multiple reasons why. On the 1-minute, it was putting in a bottom on a fairly large amount of volume. So I went back and looked at the daily, and there was a support level right here at 1265, and it also bounced off of this 200 moving average on my 5-minute. So then there was a really strong 5-minute candle that closed even above this moving average. So I also, when it made a new 15-minute high, I went long, which was also the same time that this 9 and 20 started moving up and crossed, and then the 50 came down and crossed them as well. So, and the level 2 looked very strong. The level 2 looked like it was going to make it up to this, at least test this 1285 level, if not the VWAP. So I went long with a stop loss below these moving averages, and I took my first partial at this 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. My next partial was very heavy at this 1285 level, because on the 1-minute I kept seeing that it just hung out at this 1281 level for a long time, and it seemed like it was having a really hard time getting through it. So once it popped up through that 100 moving average and to that 1285 level, I went ahead and partialed a lot, because I thought it might go back down after that. And because of that thought, I went ahead and exited the rest of my position when it made a new 5-minute low. So that was my last trade of the day. And thank you for watching, and I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you next time. Talk to you later. Bye.